Alright, fellas, we're back with Gbody Media. Um, Back on the Monte Carlo. Came out about the air compressor, got off the air hose and just started blowing everything off. Um, I'll see how she look. I just came out and started blowing everything off. Like she was a different color, fellas. Like it was maroon or red. Just prepping for the clean. In fairly good shape, but I just wanted to come out and get all that dust and stuff off. I did unloom the body harness side just to see what all connections that need to be fixed and stuff, and see where everything went to. And I was having problems figuring out what that was, but it actually goes to the AC harness, which is probably the high-speed fan relay and stuff. So on this harness, I'm probably not gonna tap into anything. If we need power distribution, we'll just run like a PDM or get a distribution block and stuff. This side goes to the like this connection. Y'all can see, like back here, it needs to be fixed and stuff. But this was the electronic spark control module and stuff. So I'm gonna go through and find the diagram and see which each wire is and stuff. So I gotta fix that. I gotta figure out these two. One of them, that one probably can be the dwell, but I'm not for sure. I'm gonna figure those out in the diagram. I got some, this is the alternator connector, your starter. We're gonna retain all of those. I gotta fix this, which is the AC plug that goes to the compressor. You know, we got like some wire right there. There's some bad connections and stuff that I gotta fix. What else? This is the original coil connector. If I know, like the ATI on the ATI distributor, it's a different connector. So this is power and ground, so we'll cut that off and terminate it with one of those connectors for the ATI. All this is pretty much good. I don't have to fix anything. That's the oil. Over here we have it's either the knock sensor on the side of the block, or yeah, I think it's the knock sensor. It goes on the side of the block. That's for the power steering. That's where that goes. The gearbox. This one, I gotta figure out these two right here too. But none of these are gonna get cut or anything. I'm just gonna fix those, and I gotta fix this connection where this wire was tapped into. So all I do is probably just terminate it or put a connector on it. That's the only thing that was messed up in this harness. I think it was one more spot that I thought I seen. Let me see if I can find it. I thought it was one more spot in that harness that I needed to fix. But I'm gonna go through all of that, fellas, and fix all those connections and stuff. But I got it blown off and stuff. It's looking fairly good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and take my vinyl top off of Lucille. I'm pretty sure I got some pitting and stuff up under there. I wanna go ahead and treat and stuff. So we're gonna get back on this either tomorrow or later today. And I'm gonna get y'all set up over there. And I might do like a time lapse, and we'll get it done that way, fellas. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, fellas, we're back. We're taking a look at Lucille up under the quarter top. before I remove it. As y'all can see, we already got some pitting spots, especially on the other side over there. Take y'all around, we're gonna take a look at it. I'm just gonna take my time, fellas. I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna go on and get it. We're going to get her off. See, she got some bad pitting, fellas. So we're gonna take the whole thing off. We're gonna see what's up under there. These spots right here is what I'm concerned with. But let's get her off, fellas. I'm gonna set y'all up and I'm gonna time lapse y'all, so and I'm gonna bring y'all back when I get done. All right, fellas. Show you what we got. Pretty sure that's lead right there they filled in. I'm gonna have to get this glue out to see what's up under there. I'm pretty sure it's something. We got some pitting down there. I'm gonna have to knock down with the wire brush. Hopefully it don't go all the way through or nothing. See on the side right here. Knock all this down and treat it. Some bad spots. Yeah, I got some work to do, fellas. I really don't want it to be at right there by that window. Knock all that down. All right, fellas. I'm gonna go on and get to it. I'm gonna turn y'all back on after I get it knocked down and treated. All right, fellas, we back. I got it treated. You can still tell it's got a lot of pitting in it, but as long as I knocked all that rust down and stopped it, we should be good to go. I'm gonna go on and let it dry up and stuff. And, I saved a piece of the vinyl top, so when I get it replaced, might go a little darker, might go a little lighter. I'm not for sure, but when I get there, I still got a piece of it to go off of and stuff. So, when I got this knocked out, I was kind of worried about it, because after I got my brothers off, I know I got some pitting under mine, and I just wanted to go on and stop it before it turned to real rotten, eat through the roof. But, so y'all can see I got it knocked down and treated. So, we good there. I'm just gonna go on and start saving up for the top and stuff, fellas. It's a lot of little stuff that's keep going wrong, and I keep on having to fork over money over, but It's a part of it, fellas. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay tuned. And have a good one, fellas.